Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Scale. I hope you're doing great. So there is a good news coming up. Pixel Experience latest June build is available for POCO F1 and there are a lot of under the hood changes and some awesome new features that you will be happy to know about. So to know all the features, stay tuned till the end. So I'll be explaining everything. I'll be installing the install procedure, whether you should clean flash, whether you should dirty flash or how. So stay tuned. So let's start the video first. Right now, if I tell you I am on Corvus OS, that is, as you can see, it says Corvus settings here. So if your people are interested in watching that, the link is in the I button here, right? So before doing anything, number one thing, if you are on any custom ROM or anything, number one thing that you do, you remove the screen unlock. I mean the screen lock, right? So here we have removed the screen unlock successfully. Now there is no screen lock in our phone. Now, if you are on any other custom ROM, clean flash is the best thing to do. Maybe if you dirty flash it, it might be installed, but it might not run up. So you should always clean flash if you are migrating from another custom ROM. But if you are already on a Pixel Experience beta build, you can dirty flash it. But if you're installing the plus version, because there are two versions here, that is Pixel Experience Plus and Pixel Experience Simple. So if you're installing plus variant, please clean flash the device, right? So I don't have anything important in my phone, so I'll be simply going to the TWRP section and I'll format my phone and I will install the OS, right? So first of all, let's go to the TWRP section by pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time. This will land us to the TWRP section where you are going to install the ROM. As you can see, we are in the TWRP very soon. There is something on the screen. So here we are on the team win recovery. As you can see, let me focus a little bit more here. Yeah, now it says swipe to allow modifications. Of course, allow us all the modifications. Now we go to wipe, format data, and I'll type here as yes. So advice for everyone, if you're installing any custom ROM, do back up your data all the time, because that's a best practice you should always do, right? Now I'll quickly set up I'll install the ROM file in my phone and I'll show you the changelog on the screen so you can have a look, right? So I'll quickly copy the file and you please have a look at the changelog that is showing on the screen right now. So here we are, we have successfully copied the ROM file in our phone. Now we go to install and click on Pixel Experience Beryllium. This is a plus version, keep that thing in mind, and the download link will be in the description and I will swipe to confirm flash, right? Since this is one of the finest ROM that are available in the market for our POCO F1, this is one of the most stable ROM, aesthetically looking good with a lot of Pixel exclusive goodies. So I'll be making a complete video on the features as well as on the benchmarks, whether it's Geekbench or Antutu, and I'll also tell you if this ROM is good for gaming and stuff. So subscribe to the channel for the same, right? So this thing will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll quickly fast forward the video and I will see you on the boot screen of this ROM, right? So here we are, as you can see, the ROM is successfully installed and we will simply click on reboot and we will be landing on the boot screen very soon. So here we can see, so what I'll do is I'll quickly set this phone up and I'll meet you on the lock screen. So here we are on the Pixel Experience Plus June build home screen. As you can see, so this is the wallpaper that we're getting here, and let's go to the settings menu first and show you what version we are on. As you can see, if I go to Android section, so you can see we are on the June security update, that is 2021. So let's see how this ROM looks like. So as you can see, the animations are quite smooth, and as always, this is the very unique Pixel Experience build, and just like always, this ROM is super great. If you are looking for a stable ROM, this is definitely the one for you. So let's see if the safety net passes. Safety net. So let's do a safety net test. I'll be installing this. Till then, let's see what we are having in the. Okay, the safety net is installed. First of all, let's set a white background that will help to, yeah. So both home screen and lock screen I'll set it, right? So now as you can see, if I go to safety net, it's saying something, some sort of error might have occurred. So let's go to app info and we will simply clear the data, and now we click on the safety net again. So due to some strange reasons this app is not getting opened. I don't know. Let's open Play Store. Let's see some another app. Okay, in the apps I'll go. Okay, let's install WhatsApp. Let's see if that is opening or not. So it's installing. Yeah, this is perfectly opening fine. I don't know, there is some issues with the safety. Okay, now it got open. Now I'll run test, and as you can see, safety net passes by default. And just for your info, I'll be doing a complete benchmark test on this ROM. I'll test it for games and stuff. I'll be doing gaming test as well, a frame rate test as well. So if you people are interested, do watch the video and do subscribe to the channel. The link when I make the video, the link will be in the description. So probably a day after this video comes up, right? Let's go to the display settings, and do we have anything new here? No, we don't. The one thing that they were that was mentioned in the changelog was, okay, we have in the security log we do have app locker as always because we are on the plus build, right? So there was an option called volume for individual apps, right? So for example, if I go to YouTube, maybe I'll go to YouTube and I will install YouTube, and we'll see if the volume per app runs fine or not, right? So let's see what else do we are having here. So we just get the regular custom ROM experience, no bloatware, no unnecessary ROM. So we go to YouTube, and here we will, for some strange reasons, the app are getting closed whenever they are opening for the first time. See, so I'll write copyright free music, and I'll click on there. So now as you can see, we are on YouTube, and if I click on this button, now you see a separate volume for YouTube only, and this is for the rest of your phone, but this is for specifically for YouTube. As you can see, this is specifically for YouTube, right? So if there is any other, for example, if there is any other music app or any other streaming app, the volume for that app will be different. And this is a very amazing feature, because sometimes we do want, for example, if we want the volume of Chrome to be at certain level, we want the music to play at certain level all the time, so we don't have to mess around with the volume button all the time. So this is a very, very handy feature, right? If we have a look at the changelogs, the changelogs says that they have introduced a better face unlock, and the auto brightness is also improved. I don't know, we have to check for this, so I'll check it and I'll get back to you people, right? So that's all for this ROM. As you can see, if you have any questions, do post in the comment section, and subscribe to the Telegram channel as well. The link is in the description. We can discuss anything and everything there whenever you want to, right? So put your question there as well. Other than that, this is just another custom ROM with awesome features, and definitely one of the most stable one if you are looking for, right? So I trust Pixel Experience for this because I have been using this ROM for quite some time. It used to be my daily driver for some time, like for 6 months. So I definitely trust this, and if you're looking for a stable custom ROM, definitely this is for you. Whether it's for gaming or not, I'll be making a video on that, a complete benchmark and stuff. So subscribe to the channel for that, right? So that's okay. Well, we can check the another feature as well. Let's go to the security. Let's go to the face unlock, and face unlock plus pin. I'll set the pin as 000 unlock, and I'll quickly set the face unlock, and we'll see how fast it is. Yeah, the registration is done. If I click it, okay, I click it, okay, click it, it is fast. Yeah, definitely. I don't know, it's not super fast, it's still taking 0.5 seconds or so. So that's all, that's it, and face unlock works perfectly fine, right? So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.